Rivers are so important that we have named their parts. So up here, where we had a little lake form as the rainfall or the snowfall kept falling in the mountains, we call that the source. The source is where the river begins. And then this part of the river nearest to the source is called the upper part. And as the course of the river continues down, we saw that the water was carving the land. And the land on either side of the river is called the banks. So I'm going to put a label here just on this bank. Then, as the course of the river continues down, we saw some features appear. So some of these features are different in each river. This one, for example, is a land bridge. And as the course of the river continues down, we get to the lower part. And the river moves on to eventually empty out somewhere. It may be an ocean, it may be a lake, but wherever it is, we call that the mouth of the river. That's kind of a funny name. So here we can see the parts of the river. The river begins up here in a high land, and that is what we call the source. And then this part of the river nearest to the source is the upper part. On the sides of the river, we have its banks. Down lower, closer to the mouth of the river, we have the lower part. And wherever the river ends and deposits its sediment, flows out into a larger body of water, we call that the mouth. And those are the parts of a river.